Hello students, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well today. So students, let's recall what we have learned in previous classes. So can you tell me what is the sum of the supplementary angles? Yes, sum of the supplementary angles. Yes, correct. Sum of the supplementary angles. Yes, that is 180 degree. Okay. And sum of the complementary angles. Yes, that is 90 degree. Okay. Okay. So let's start today's class and learn something new. Now you can see here some. Yes. Here you can see the activity. Okay. The students formed lines. You can see the lines are, yes, there are two lines here. Okay, so line AB, and line CD. So again they fold the papers and formed one more line. You can see, okay, like this. So AB and CD and one more line. So that is, yes, the line is MN, and you can see here line MN intersect AB at point P, okay, and line MN intersect CD at point Q. Okay, so here PQ, MN is transversal in this case. Okay, MN is transversal because MN intersect both the lines AB and CD. Now you can see here the intersecting lines. Okay, here, yes, AB, CD and XY intersect both the lines at point, yes, here you can see two distinct points. Okay, so XY is transversal here. Now here you can see the picture here and the transversal lines. Okay, so interior, that is the interior part of the both the lines, and that part is, yes, that is exterior part. Okay, so here are two parts formed, one is interior and another is exterior. Okay, now here AB, CD and line PQ, yes, that is transversal line. PQ is a transversal line here, and point K, that is intersecting point. That means PQ intersect AB at point K and PQ intersect CD at point L. You can see here. So in this case, PQ are transversal line. Okay, PQ is a transversal line here. Now PQ is transversal. So here you can see how many angles are formed here. Yes, 1, 2, 3 and yes, 4. Okay, line AB, there are 4 angles, and line CD you can see 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 angles. Okay, here angles formed by a transversal lines. So total 8 angles are formed here. Okay, 8 angles. Okay, now here angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 lie in between the coplanar lines. You can see both are the interior part. So angle 3, 4, 5 and 6 lie in the between the coplanar lines AB and CD, and yes, that is interior angles. That is interior angles. And now here 1, 2 and 7, 8. So both are exterior angles. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 7 and 8 lie outside the coplanar lines AB and CD. So that's our yes, exterior angles here. Okay. Now when we see angle 3 and angle 5. So angle 3 and angle 5 are interior angles on one side of the transversal. You can see angle 3 and angle 5 both are interior angles on one side of the transversal. You can see, okay, transversal lines. And angle 6 and 4, yes, so angle 6 and 4 are interior angles on the other side of the transversal. You can see PQ, their right side and left side. So 5 and 3 belong to left side and 4 and 6 belong to right side, okay, or both are interior angles. 4, 6, 3 and 5 all are interior angles, okay. So co-interior angles here. Now when we talk angle 1 and angle 7, so you can see angle 1 and 7 both are exterior angles on one side of the transversal, and yes, the left side of the transversal line. Now yes, angle 8 and 2 similarly same side of the transversal line, okay. So that is linear pair. So linear pair, you know about linear pair? Linear pair means, yes, sum of all angles in a linear pair is 180 degree, okay. So here 5 and 6 are linear pair, 5 yes and 7 are linear pair, yes 7 and 8 are linear pairs, okay, and yes 6 and 8 also linear pair here. So 5 and 1, when we talk about angle 1 and angle 5, so you can see angle 1 and angle 5 have different vertices, non-adjacent. You can see angle 1 and angle 5 both are different vertices, that means non-adjacent angles, okay. So and angle 1 and angle 5 lie on same side of the transversal. You can see both are yes left side. So angle 1 and angle 5 are same side of the transversal, and second thing have different vertices, that means non adjacent, okay. So angle 1 and angle 5, one is interior and another one is exterior angle here. You can see angle 1, yes, that is exterior angle, and when we talk about angle 5, that is interior angle, okay. So angle 1 is exterior angle and angle 5 is interior angle here, okay. Now when we talk about angle 3 and angle 7, similarly have different vertices, that means non-adjacent, lie on same side of the transversal, and one is interior and another one is exterior. You can see here angle 3, that is interior here, angle 7, yes, exterior angle, okay. So angle 1 and 5 and angle 3 and 7, yes, both are lie on same side of the transversal, have different vertices, and one is interior and another one is exterior angle, okay. Yes. So yes, now corresponding angles. So in this case angle 1 and angle 5 and angle 3 and angle 7, the pair of angle 1 and 5 and angle 3 and 7 both are corresponding angles, okay. So you can see 2 and 6, angle 2 and angle 6, and angle 4 and angle 8, okay. So here angle 1 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 6, and angle 4 and angle 8. So are the four pairs of corresponding angles here, okay, corresponding angles. Yes, okay students. Okay, now it's question time. In the given figure, PQ parallel ST parallel MN, then angle PQR and angle QRM are called, and I am giving you 30 seconds. So which option is correct here? Alternate angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, yes, and vertically opposite angles. You can see the picture, okay. You can see the figure here. So PQ, ST, yes, at ST and MN, you can see MN. All three lines are parallel. Okay, okay student, time's up. So all three lines are parallel, you can see here. Then angle PQR, we talk about angle PQR, that is PQR. Okay, and yes, QRM, so you can see QRM, that is QRM. Okay, so QRM. Now you can see both are interior angles. Okay, both are interior angles. So co-interior angles, option C is right answer here. Okay, now let's move the another part. Angles formed by a transversal line. Okay, so here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 angles. Now we talk about angle 3 and angle 6. You can see angle 3 and angle 6, that is angle 3, yes, angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, so when we talk about angle 3 and angle 6, so they have different vertices. You can see, and non-adjacent have different vertices. And second point, yes, lie on either side of the transversal. That means one is left side and other one is right side. Okay, so lie on the either side of the transversal. And third point, yes, both are interior angles. You can see here both are interior. Angle 3, yes, interior angle, and angle 6, that is also interior angle. Okay, so angle 3, when we talk about angle 3 and angle 6, so they have different vertices, lie on either side of the transversal, and both are interior angles. Okay, so now you can see angle 4 and angle 5. So similarly have different vertices, lie on either side of the transversal, and both are interior angles. Okay, so yes, all 3 points are satisfied, angle 3, angle 6 and angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, so that means alternate interior angles, they are alternate interior angles. Okay, that means angle 3 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles, and one more pair, angle 4 and angle, yes, 5, also interior angles. Okay, now you can see 1 and 8. So angle 1 and angle 8, when we talk about angle 1 and angle 8, so you can see have different vertices. Yes, true, have different vertices. Second point, so you can see here lie on either side of the transversal. You can see here right side, and yes, angle 1, that is left side, okay, of the transversal line. Okay, so lie on either side of the transversal. And third one, yes, that is exterior angles. Okay, so both are exterior angles. So students, when we talk about angle 1 and angle 8, so you can see they have different vertices, lie on either side of the transversal, and both are exterior angles. Okay, so and similarly angle 7 and angle 2, you can see angle 7 and angle 2, yes, they have different vertices, lie on either side of the transversal, and both are exterior angles. Okay, so that is true, all the points are true. Okay, yes, so angle 2 and angle 7 and angle 1 and angle 8, yes. So you can see the picture, alternate exterior angles, they are alternate exterior angles. So angle 1 and angle 8, alternate exterior angles. Okay, and angle 2 and angle 7, yes, alternate exterior angles. Yes, so totally there are 4 pair of alternate angles and 4 pair of corresponding angles. You can see totally there are 8 angles, so 4 pair of alternate angles and 4 pair of corresponding angles. Okay students, now here let's summarize the alternate angles. So let's summarize. Okay, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 8, and angle 2 and angle 7. These are alternate angles and corresponding angles. So you can see angle 1 and angle 5, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 6, and angle 4 and angle 8 corresponding angles. Okay, so remember always 3 and 6, 3 and 6, you can see 3 and 6, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 1 and 8, so 1 and 8, and 2 and 7, so 2 and 7. So all four pairs are alternate angles here. Okay, and corresponding, yes, corresponding means, yes, you can see corresponding means same side of the transversal line. So angle 1 and angle 5, yes, angle 3 and angle 7, okay, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 4 and angle 8, so corresponding angles. Okay, yes. So remember always that pair of angles. Okay, now students, it's question time. I have a question for you. A transversal line L intersects two lines M and N. The lines are parallel if. So I am giving you 30 seconds. Which option is correct here? You can see a transversal line L intersects two lines M and N. So here M and N. There are two lines M and N. And transversal line L intersect the lines, the parallel, the lines are parallel if. So condition of parallelism, condition of parallel lines. Okay. Okay student, time's up. So the right answer is yes, interior alternate angles are equal and corresponding angles are equal. So both A and B are correct here. That means option C is right answer. Okay, option C. Yes. Now student, here activity. Okay, so let's do one activity here. You can see two lines L and M, and here both lines are parallel. L and M, both lines are parallel here, and transversal line T, you can see, intersect the lines L and M and formed angle, angle A and angle B. Both are corresponding angles. Okay, angle A and angle B are corresponding angles here. So angle A and angle B, you can see angle A is equal to angle B, or both the corresponding angles are equal here. Okay, now here angle C and angle D, yes, so angle C and angle D, yes, also equal. Okay, so angle C equal to angle D. Now here angle, yes, angle E and angle F. So angle E and angle F, yes, corresponding angles and both are equal. Now here angle G and angle H, yes, so angle G and angle H also equal angles. Okay, so corresponding angles, if a transversal, yes, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. Okay, now let's take one more activity here. Okay, you can see angle XBE and BCD. There are two angles. Okay, so one angle, yes, that is 80 degree, and the second one, yes, that is 50 degree. So angle XBE 50 and angle BCD 80. Corresponding angles equal or not equal? So you can see both are not equal angles. Okay, one is 50 and other one is 80, so both are not equal. So yes, can you tell me angle CD and BE is parallel or not? Is line CD and BE parallel or not? Yes, of course not parallel. Okay, so okay, now when angle XCD is 60 degree or BCD is 60 degree, yes, BCD, that is 60 degree, angle XBE, that is 50 degree. Now yes, corresponding angles are not equal here. One angle is 50 degree, another one is 60 degree, so not equal. And yes, that is parallel. No, BE and CD are not parallel here. Okay. Now in the third point, when we take 50 degree, angle BCD is 50 degree, then you can see both angles are equal. That means corresponding angles are equal, and whenever corresponding angles are equal, that means line BE and CD both are parallel lines, both are parallel lines here. Okay, so remember always BE and CD are parallel lines here. Okay. So if a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. Okay. So remember always this point. Okay. Now here one more activity. L and M both are parallel lines, and transversal line, you can see transversal line T here. So L and M both are parallel lines. Okay. So here you can see angle A and angle B, alternate angles. So both are equal. Angle A and angle B are equal here. Now then angle C and angle D. Similarly, angle C and angle D, that is equal. Now angle E and angle F. So alternate angles E and F, yes, also equal. And now angle H and angle G. Okay, so both are equal. So if in a transversal line, you can see all the alternate angles are equal when lines are parallel. Okay. So now here one more activity. You can see AB, BC and CD. There are three lines here. So angle ABC and angle BCD. Okay. So when we take angle ABC 50 degree and angle BCD 100 degree, so alternate angles equal or not equal? Yes, no equal, not equal. So line AB and CD parallel and not parallel. Yes, not parallel. Okay. When angle BCD is 70 degree, then not equal, and not equal, then line AB and CD are not parallel. Okay. In the third case, when we take 50-50, that means angle ABC is 50 degree, angle BCD is 50 degree. So in this case, you can see both the angles are equal. That means line AB and CD, yes, parallel here. Okay. Okay, student, now it's question time. I have a question for you. So which of the following pair of angles resembles the figure of letter Z? Okay. Now I am giving you 30 seconds. Which option is correct here? Alternate angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, and linear pair of angles. Okay. Figure of letter Z. Okay. Figure of letter Z, or okay, students, time's up. The right answer is yes. You can see figure Z. Okay. So this line and this line, both, if both lines are parallel, then you can see one angle and one angles. So that is, yes, alternate angles. Okay. So remember always alternate angle. Okay. Now in F shape, we find equal pair of corresponding angles. So here you can see F shape. Okay. F shape. So in this case F shape, so both the angles are, here you can see F shape. Okay. And third one, Yes, like this. Okay, so equal pair of corresponding angles when formed and F shape. Okay, in Z shape, so we find equal pair of alternate angles. Okay, so see here, one you can see Z, and Z means yes alternate angles. Okay, now second one, so you can see yes like this. Okay, so here Z formed, that means yes all yes alternate angles. Okay, and third one case you can see like this. Okay, so here again alternate angles are equal. Okay, so in the following figure find the value of x and y, then show that AB parallel to CD. Now it's question, students. Okay, so let's do it. Now here you can see the picture AB and CD. Okay, and line yes. So here what will we do? AB and CD are parallel lines. Given that AB and CD are parallel, that means you can see Z are formed here. Okay, like this. So x and y both are alternate angles. Okay, and in this part you can see 50 plus x, that is linear pair. So 50 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So we can find out x here. Okay, so x equal to 180 minus 50. So x equal to 180 minus 50, that is 130 degree. Okay, now you can see x equal to 130 degree, that is our first equation. Okay, and when we you can see x equal to 130, so y, yes, can you tell me the value of y? Yes, y is also 130 degree. Okay, you can see here x, yes, corresponding angles, and you can see, or we can see alternate angles. You can, z are formed here. Okay, so that means yes like this here and in this case. So 130, so y is 130. Okay, so y equal to 130 degree, that is our second equation. So y equal to 130 and x equal to also 130 degree. So x equal to y. When x equal to y, so we can say both the lines AB and CD alternate angles are equal. So AB and CD are parallel, hence AB parallel to CD. Okay. Okay, student, now it's question time. I have a question for you. In the given figure, AB parallel CD. If angle GED equal to 126 degree, then value of AGE, and I am giving you yes now here 45 seconds. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option A 90 degree, option B 126 degree, option C 36 degree, and option D 180 degree. You can see here given that line AB and CD both are parallel lines. Okay, both are parallel lines, and angle GED, that is 126 degree. Then value of AGE, so here A, G and E, we will find angle AGE here. Okay, find this angle. Yes, okay, times up, students. The right answer is yes, you can see the Z formed here. Okay, like this. Yes or no? So here angle A, G and E, and here point D, DE or GED. So GED is 126 degree. Then GED 126 degree. That means yes, AGE also 126 degree, okay, because yes, line AG and ED both are parallel, that is given in the question. So right answer is option B, okay, 126 degree. Okay, now let's move the another part. Okay, in the following figure, if AB parallel to CD and EF perpendicular to CD and angle GED equal to 126 degree, then find angle AGE, GEF and FGE. Okay, students, so can you do this? Okay, let's try. Okay, so here first of all, so given that AB parallel to CD, okay, that means AB and CD both are parallel lines, okay, and EF perpendicular to CD. Perpendicular means yes, EF perpendicular to CD, that means the angle between EF and CD, that is 90 degree, okay. So here the angles are 90 degree, okay. So yes, EF perpendicular to CD, that means now here you can see 126 degrees. So yes, can you tell me the measurement of angle AGE? Yes, that is also 126 degree, okay. The you can see here A, G, E and D, okay. So 126 degree and both the lines are parallel, that means all AGE also 126 degree, okay. So we can find out the measurement of angle AGE by using yes alternate angles, you can see here, okay. So alternate angles. So AGE and GED equal, that means one yes 126 degree, okay. Now angle GEF. So when we talk about angle GEF, G, E and F, that angle, okay. So here when we find GEF, so you can see here angle GEF is equal to angle GED, angle GED and minus 90 degree, that means FED, okay. So GEF 126 degree minus 90 degree, okay. So we can find out the value of angle GEF, that is 126 minus 90 degree, that is 36 degree, okay. So angle GEF is equal to 36 degree here, okay. Now find out angle FGE. So angle FGE, where is the angle FGE? So F, G and E, that angle. Can you tell me the measurement of FGE? Yes, how can we find out FGE? Yes, correct. You can see here AF. AF is a line, okay, and yes, angle G. So angle G, point G and E, that is a line, okay. So you can see here 126 degree, okay. Angle AGE is 126 degree. Now tell me the value of FGE, the measurement of FGE. Yes, that is a linear angles, okay. And sum of linear angles, linear pair is 180 degree. So here angle AGE plus FGE equal to 180 degree, okay. So 126 plus FGE equal to 180 degree, that is linear pair, okay. Now FGE equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. So 180 minus 126, what will we get here? So angle FGE, yes, that is 54 degree, okay students. Okay, now it's question time. I have a question for you. If the line L intersects two parallel lines M and N, then the sum of co-interior angles is, and I am giving you, yes, 30 seconds. Okay, so which option is correct here? Option A 90 degree, option B 120 degree, option C 30 degree, and option D 180 degree. If the line question is, yes, line L intersects two parallel lines M and N. Okay, so here two parallel lines M and N, and L intersects two parallel lines. Okay, so L intersects two parallel lines, then the sum of co-interior angles. So here you can see co-interior angles. So interior, okay, that means this angle and this angle. Okay, so we know that angle 1 and angle 2, let's suppose angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, two parallel lines. Okay, so here, and angle 3 and angle 4 are equal, angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. So we can, and we know that angle 1, the sum of angle 1 and angle 3, yes, that is 180 degree, linear pair, and angle 2 and angle 4, yes, linear pair, and sum of linear pair, that is 180 degree. That means we can say angle 4 and angle 1, sum of angle 1 and angle 4, that is also 180 degree. Okay, so right answer is option D here. Okay, yes, correct. So now here we have one more question. Okay, in the following figure, AB parallel to CD, angle APQ equal to 50 degree, PRD 127 degree. So find the value of x and y here. Okay, now students, let's do it. How can we find out the value of x and y here? So you can see the angle APQ, that is 50 degree, and angle PRD, that is 127 degree. So here you can see Z are formed here. Okay, A, P, Q, R. So here 50 degree and x. So x equal to 50 degree. Okay, that is alternate angles, AB parallel CD, then x equal to 50 degree, alternate angles. Now here x equal to 50 degree. Now we find the value of the yes, here 127, and 127 is equal to 50 plus y. 50 plus y is equal to 127, another linear pair. Okay, so y equal to 127 minus 50. So what will we get here? Y equal to 77. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay student, now it's question time. Yes, now can you yes, it's a transversal line L intersects two lines M and N. These lines are, the lines are parallel if, so yes, I am giving you 30 seconds. Okay, now which option is correct here? Interior alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, both A and B, and none of these. So students, we already discussed about that. When lines are parallel, then what conditions satisfied the, yes, a transversal line L intersect two lines M and N. The lines are parallel if, yes, very good. The right answer is option C, both A and B. Okay students, now students, it's a feedback question. How do you feel? Happy, quite good, satisfactory, or confused? Okay, so today I have learned the properties of alternate angles, corresponding angles. Okay, so it's time to over the class. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Okay, so it's a feedback question. Okay, okay, now, okay, bye bye students, take care and see you in the next